In this video, we're going to dive into how to customize job posts for different roles on Top Echelon, helping you create job postings that are tailored to attract the right candidates. Whether you're new to Top Echelon or you're just getting familiar with its job posting features, stick around because I'll show you exactly how to make the most out of the platform. First things first, when you're creating a job post on Top Echelon, you want to make sure it's customized to the specific role you're hiring for. This can mean adjusting the job description, qualifications, and responsibilities based on the position. The good news is, Top Echelon allows you to modify these fields easily, so you can match your posts to the expectations of different roles. Start by choosing the type of job you're posting. Is it for a sales role, a technical position, or a creative job? This is where your customization begins, as Top Echelon gives you the flexibility to choose from predefined job categories or create your own. Customizing your job title is also essential. It needs to be clear and specific to avoid attracting the wrong candidates. For example, instead of using a general title like developer, specify the technology stack required, such as React developer or full stack developer. This helps narrow down your applicant pool to the right people. Next, let's talk about the job description. With Top Echelon, you can easily modify the details to suit the role. You want to make the responsibilities and expectations crystal clear. Make sure you include information about the specific tasks that will be required, as well as the skills and experience necessary for success. If it's a specialized role, use language that reflects the nuances of that industry or function. For example, if you're hiring for a marketing role, you might emphasize experience with SEO, content strategy, and analytics. This specificity will help ensure you attract the right type of candidates. In the qualifications section, you can list any mandatory or preferred qualifications, certifications, or skills. Top Echelon lets you adjust this to match the role perfectly. For example, if you're hiring for a senior level position, you'll want to require more advanced skills or years of experience. If it's an entry-level role, you may choose to list softer skills or educational requirements instead. Another thing you can do is customize the application process. With Top Echelon, you have the ability to ask specific screening questions during the application process. These questions can help you quickly gauge whether applicants have the necessary skills or experience. This is a great way to ensure you're reviewing candidates who meet your criteria right from the start. Finally, don't forget about the location and salary range. While Top Echelon lets you customize these, it's important to be transparent about them. Clearly stating where the role is located, whether it's remote or on-site, and what the salary range is, will attract the right candidates who are genuinely interested in the position and who fit your budget. By now, you should see how easy it is to customize job posts for different roles on Top Echelon. Whether it's tweaking the job title, description, qualifications, or application process, the platform gives you all the tools you need to tailor your posts for the right candidates. If you're looking to get started with Top Echelon, you can sign up for a free trial using the link in the description below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have even more ways to make the most of the platform. And before you go, don't forget, this video mentioned a special extended free trial offer, so make sure you check that out and start customizing your job posts on Top Echelon today.